Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 56, sir. A, sir, yes. B, sir, 11 persons. C, sir, 14 persons have been arrested. D, sir, the program developer and employee of NACOM Impression Printing Press Guwahati. E, sir, Tura Government College Press College, Tura, sir.
Your supplementary question, Mr. Dorbar.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I don't have much to ask in this question, as Honorable Minister in charge has already replied to all the questions on which I need information. But still, I want to make one clarification on this, rather a clarification. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the steps that have been initiated by the department that such incidents do not occur in future?
Sir, definitely, sir.